Welcome to another edition of Cat's Capers, and today we are back in Yorkshire where they make the most amazing tea on the Ingleton Waterfalls Trail. Guest starring me ma.
Hello.
I hope we don't have to come back up these bloody step spines. I think I've climbed enough this week. My mum's making excuses because she's just nearly gone horse over tit. You know, that rock's totally big enough to see.
I'll go the easy way. I'll go the easy way.
So we were at Pecker Falls. Supervised children. I mean, surely to God you would supervise your kid around here, yeah? And there she is. How many more flaming stairs is there? Oh my God, man. And we have today on our trail a Yorkshire wagtail. Clearly defined by the wagging tail. And this one has a bit of yellow on it. It's probably off the tea stains. So we've come to see some waterfalls. My mum stood taking pictures of fucking flowers.
The beautiful, beautiful.
They might be. But what's that? And she stood taking pictures of fucking flowers. I mean, really?
Decided.
Have you now?
I'm going to see the tourist information board about haystacks, and I'm going to have these steps put up all the way up to the top.
Really?
Really? Do you think they would do that to me?
What the fuck? They tell you to get stuffed.
I've decided.
There she is. Down the bottom, gassing away. Tourist fucking information desk, isn't it? Oh look, there's some flowers. Let's take a 40. Sue's guided tours. So I turn around, I wonder what my mum's doing. Taking pictures of fucking flowers again.
Taking photos of it.
Here, there's some ferns here. Do you want to take some pictures of the ferns as well?
No.
I've had to teach me ma how to make.
Oh, I can't.
I've had to teach her how to take a fucking selfie.
It's
The
got a
art.
fucking video now.
I've taken a selfie.
Which one is
God. You're not doing duck lips either, so don't even start that one.
I forgot wash my...
I swear down.
I forgot which button to press.
She's so quiet. Really stunning rolling hills in the middle of the Yorkshire Dales. And what the fuck's that? A fucking ice cream van? Wait, I mean really, how did that get here? Maybe Tony Beats brought his Oshkosh along, towed it here. You just don't know really. You're alright. What's your name, fellas? I'm called Bruce. And he's called Steve. You got any chocolate? I really want some chocolate. Sick of eating this grass, like. What's that over there? Well, Bruce and Steve. That's not me name. Dottie. She sounds like a bit of a chav. We've seen plenty of them today, mate. Well, you two have a very nice day. Chewing your grass, okay? I want some chocolate! Oh, yet more pretty stairs. And the two lesser spotted cockapoo. Yep, lovely mate. And remembering up the rear, as per. Next on our Ingleton Waterfalls Trail tour, we have Giggle Gorge with a bridge that looks like something out of fucking Jurassic Park. Any second now, I'm expecting pterodactyl flying and swooping across. Or perhaps over on this side, the velociraptor. Come through Giggle Gorge, which was absolutely sublime, absolutely beautiful. To be greeted with a woodcock. What is it with these Yorkshiremen? Have they got a fascination with phallic objects? So I'll tell you, having a peaceful fag, and they're doing fucking zoomies. I mean, really. So we're at the end of our waterfall trail hike. Wasn't expecting that at all. It was so stunning though. Extra sexy. So back to the car for a nice big fat Yorkshire tea brew.